My hair looks beautiful. Holy sh**, I'm sorry. I don't know again.
Hey, I'm Kelsey Dinahan, celebrity makeup artist, and today I'm going to glam up the gorgeous Melissa.
Hi, my name is Melissa. I've been with IPSY since 2011. Today I'm really excited to venture out of what I normally do and just kind of experiment and look cool and feel real pretty, and yeah, it's exciting.
So I'm just going in with a light coverage foundation. You have gorgeous skin.
I don't remember the first time I received my first glam bag, but I do remember being very excited for it. I think I tracked the package right as soon as I got the link, before it was even active. I still do that now, actually. I think that what's kept me an IPSY subscriber from the beginning is the fact that I truly enjoy all the products that I've received. I end up buying them on my own or just continue to buy them even till now. A few of my favorite IPSY products that I've ever received have been, one of them is a face wash. It's Beauty Without Cruelty. It is amazing. I still order it now. I do have a ton of glam bags. I use them still. They come in handy for so many different reasons. I love them. I either give them to friends or family to use as just little bags that they need, or I use them as makeup bags. I'll recycle them, or just little, I also use them to hide feminine products at times. Like I'll throw them in my work bag and stuff. My ultimate favorite glam bag that I've received was the Valkyrie bag. I think it was an October bag. It was Halloween themed. It was so cool. It had little witches and it was just beautiful. I follow that artist on Instagram, so I was really excited to even know who they were. So when I received the bag, I was like, heck yeah. I still haven't even used it just because I feel like it's too pretty to be used. My favorite thing about IPSY, I think, is that I get to discover all these different products that I probably have never heard of or probably wouldn't even think of getting. Like I've discovered Wander Beauty, Thrive. The Thrive mascara is wonderful.
Hi everybody, so I'm Melissa Herkman, a professional hairstylist, and today I'm doing Melissa. So I'm gonna add a few Velcro rollers to the top of the crown, and so I'm gonna do 1, 2, 3 on the top just to create a lot more volume and a lot more bounce with the hair.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much. I like eyeshadow, I just don't know how to play with it very much, so this is wonderful. I'm really excited.
We wanted to say thank you by gifting you with every product from the March Glam Bag, Glam Bag Plus, and Glam Bag Ultimate.